Okay, so number 3, here we have writing the repeating structural formula. So A, you're starting with, you have PVC. And we know that PVC is made out of this monomer, okay? And when this monomer reacts, we know that the alkenes react and this double bond disappears, and it's what's used to connect, right? Connect it to whatever else is there. But if you wanted to just write this monomer, one monomer on its own, so that someone can know what the basic building block of your chain looks like, you can just do this, brackets with the lines extending out, indicating that it could grow in either direction. And then you write the number of repeating units in that polymer. So for these guys, you want a 3 repeating structural formula. That would indicate the same thing. Now the question isn't asking for this condensed form, it's asking you to actually draw out the whole structural formula if there were 3 repeating units. But just so you understand this nomenclature, this means the same thing. So for PVC, a 3 repeating structure would look like, so still keep that there, and then okay, so this is what a 3 repeating structure would look like. And do not write 3 then to indicate that it's 3. This would mean 3 of these. So you would have something 9, atoms long instead. This is not necessary if you've drawn it out all the way like this. So that's PVC. And right, you are doing this polymerization with an alkene, you're doing an addition reaction, and you're either generating those polymers through free radical polymerization or ionization polymerization. B, polyestrine, your starting material is this guy, and your 3 repeating structure is so that's for polystyrene. Next we have Teflon. Teflon, you are starting with this guy. Okay, and your repeating structure. So you can just imagine, this double bond is going to disappear, and one bond is going to link it to another one. So somewhere you're going to have this, and then it's going to link to the exact same looking thing. Okay? So again, the line extending out. Then we have alright, so that's just one unit, now that the double bond's gone. And the double bond's gone because it has formed a bond to another one of these guys. It's a little hard to visualize, so make sure you stop and think about it. There I have another one of these monomers, and now I'm forming the linking bond. And it's going to connect to another one of these monomers. Right? And now that's 3 complete units. And instead of continuing to extend it, I now end the bracket. Okay? And finally, we have polyvinyl bromide. This comes from this guy. Okay? And you are going to create this. Okay? Alright, and now we're going to go on to 4 and 5 I'm going to do together.